Hello students, we are going to start a new chapter, simple and compound interest, but in this video we are going to learn the basics only. So imagine that you have rupees 100 along with you and you decided to save this money. So what you did, you went to a bank and said, okay fine, I want to deposit the money on your bank. The bank in reply said you can deposit the money, and if you deposit we will give you 10% yearly. Alright. So after 1 year, so assume that you have kept the money for 1 year. After 1 year, what the bank will do now? Bank will calculate 10% on your money. How much you deposited? 100 rupees. This 10% was promised by the bank only, right? So 10%, how to calculate this quantity? We all know how to do percentage. 10 by 100 into 100, and this shall give you 10 rupees. Alright. So now after 1 year, how much money you will get? This is your own money, that is 100, and this rupees 10 will come from the bank. Alright. So the total money that you will get after 1 year is rupees 110. Alright. So now these four quantities are important. This 100%, 100, this 10%, this rupees 10, and this rupees 110. Alright. Why they are important? Let's see in the next page. So the rupees 100 that you have deposited is called the principal money or principal amount. Okay. The bank that guaranteed 10% yearly is called the rate of interest. Rate of interest. Alright. This rate of interest can be yearly, can be monthly, can be daily also. It can be anything. Alright. Can be in 15 days, can be quarterly also. Quarterly means, try to find out the meaning of quarterly. Alright. So now the bank will pay you rupees 10. This 10 rupees is called the interest. So you are gaining interest of rupees 10. 10% is the rate of interest, by the way. Percentage means rate. And finally you got 110 rupees, 100 from your own money, 10 rupees 10 from the bank. This is called the amount. Okay. So principal is your P symbolically. Rate of interest is written as capital R, sometimes smaller. Interest is always written as capital I, and amount is always written as capital A. As you can understand, your amount is always equal to your principal plus the interest that you are going to get. So this serves as a formula also. Okay. So now the interest that I have discussed, this interest can be of two types. The interest can be of two types. One is simple interest and other is the compound interest. So in this chapter we are going to learn about simple interest first, then we shall learn about compound interest. In the next video, let's start with the concept of simple interest.